Welcome to Wise Aging Hub, your trusted companion in understanding the complex signals your body sends as you age gracefully. Today, we are exploring a silent condition that affects over 200 million people globally, often ignored until it progresses. Poor blood circulation in the legs is a widespread issue, frequently mistaken by patients and families for normal signs of aging. However, this heaviness and discomfort are not just about getting older. They are warning signs from your vascular system requiring attention. When blood flow is restricted, your muscles are deprived of essential oxygen and nutrients, leading to pain, cramping, and fatigue. Vascular surgeons have identified specific movements that can restore flow, acting as natural medicine for your arteries and veins. In this video, we will guide you through 5 strategic exercises scientifically proven to boost circulation and improve vascular health. Understanding these mechanisms can be the difference between limited mobility and a life full of active movement and independence. We will start from the easiest movements and progress to the most effective strategy known to modern vascular medicine today. Let us begin with exercise number 5, a simple yet powerful movement known as ankle pumps and ankle circles. This exercise is fundamental because it directly targets the calf muscles, which play a crucial role in your circulatory system. Doctors often refer to the calf muscle as the second heart because of its unique ability to pump venous blood. While your heart pumps blood down to your feet, your calf muscles must work hard to push it back up. By performing simple ankle circles, you activate this pumping mechanism without putting any stress on your joints or heart. Clinical studies have shown that this specific movement can increase the velocity of blood flow by up to 54%. You can perform this exercise anywhere, whether you are lying in bed in the morning or sitting watching television. Aim to pull your toes toward your shin as far as possible, then point them away to maximize muscle contraction. This pumping action helps prevent blood from pooling in the lower extremities, significantly reducing the risk of dangerous clots. It is especially recommended during long periods of inactivity, such as flights or long car rides, to keep blood moving. Now that we have activated the lower leg pump, we move up the limb to target larger muscle groups. This brings us to exercise number 4, seated leg extensions, which focuses on the powerful quadriceps muscles of the thigh. Sit comfortably on a chair and slowly extend your leg until it is straight, holding the position for a moment. This movement engages the large quadriceps muscle group, which is essential for walking, standing, and overall lower body stability. When these large muscles contract, they stimulate the release of a miracle molecule called nitric oxide into your bloodstream. Nitric oxide is a potent vasodilator, meaning it signals your blood vessels to relax and widen, allowing more flow. Remarkably, the circulation benefits from this specific muscle activation can last for up to 3 hours after you finish. Perform this movement with alternating legs, ensuring you lower the foot slowly to maximize the benefit of the exercise. Regular practice helps reduce the sensation of cold feet, a common complaint among those with poor peripheral circulation issues. Strengthening these muscles also supports the knee joint, providing better balance and reducing the risk of falls in daily life. Next, we take advantage of gravity and your own body weight to amplify the pumping effect of the calves. Exercise number 3 is standing heel raises, a movement that significantly increases pressure to drive blood back to the heart. Stand with feet hip-width apart and slowly rise onto the balls of your feet, lifting your heels high. While seated pumps are good, standing utilizes your full body weight, creating a much stronger contraction in the calf muscles. Studies indicate that this standing variation can increase blood velocity in the posterior tibial artery by 28%. Safety is paramount, so please hold onto a stable surface like a counter or chair back to maintain your balance. Perform 10 to 15 repetitions in a set, feeling the burn in your calves as the muscle pump works efficiently. This powerful squeezing action is highly effective at reducing ankle swelling and preventing the heavy sensation of venous insufficiency. You can easily integrate this into your daily routine, for example, while brushing your teeth or waiting for the kettle. Now we move to a more dynamic movement that mimics a popular cardio activity without the need for equipment. Exercise number 2 is recumbent cycling or air cycling, which creates rhythmic contractions to train your blood vessels. Lie on your back, lift your legs, and pedal as if you are riding a bicycle, keeping the movement smooth. This rhythmic motion creates a cycle of contraction and relaxation, effectively training your blood vessels to dilate and constrict efficiently. Research suggests that regular cycling movements can improve quality of life scores related to leg symptoms by 37%. You do not need a stationary bike to get these benefits. Air cycling reduces gravity's resistance while maintaining flow. If you find it difficult to keep your legs up, you can support your hips with your hands or pillows. This position also helps drain excess fluid from the legs, making it excellent for those who suffer from evening swelling. Finally, we arrive at the most critical strategy, a supervised walking program that outperforms many medications in clinical effectiveness. Exercise number 1 is the gold standard for vascular health, a structured walking program, often called intermittent claudication training. The concept is counterintuitive. You must walk until you feel mild to moderate pain in your legs, then stop. Rest until the pain subsides completely, and then begin walking again, repeating this cycle for at least 30 minutes. This push into the pain zone triggers a biological process called angiogenesis, where your body actually grows new blood vessels. Think of it as your body building its own natural bypasses around blockages to deliver oxygen to starving muscles. Ideally, this is done under medical supervision, but with your doctor's approval, you can carefully practice this protocol independently. Consistency is key. Aim for at least 3 to 5 sessions per week to signal your body to adapt. Over weeks and months, you will notice you can walk further and faster before the pain sets in again. These 5 exercises, from simple ankle pumps to structured walking, form a comprehensive toolkit for fighting poor leg circulation. Improving your circulation is not just about reducing pain. It is about reclaiming your freedom to enjoy life's moments. Always consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new exercise regimen, especially if you have existing heart conditions. Combine these movements with proper hydration and a heart-healthy diet to maximize the benefits for your vascular system. Start slowly, listen to your body, and track your progress as you gradually build strength and vascular endurance. Your legs are the foundation of your mobility, and caring for them is an investment in your overall longevity. Share this video with friends or family members who might be struggling with leg pain or poor circulation issues. If you found this information helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more health insights. We are dedicated to bringing you the latest science-backed strategies to help you age with wisdom and vitality. Remember, even the smallest movement, like rotating your ankles right now, is a step towards better blood flow. Don't let poor circulation limit your life. Take control today with these simple, proven, and effective medical exercises. Your body has an incredible capacity to heal and adapt when given the right stimulus and proper care. Stay consistent with your routine, be patient with your progress, and celebrate every improvement in your daily mobility. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into vascular health and the power of movement for longevity. This is Wise Aging Hub, wishing you strong legs, healthy veins, and a life full of active adventures. Check out our other videos for more tips on nutrition, exercise, and medical breakthroughs for the aging population. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we will discuss nutrition secrets for maintaining elastic and healthy arteries. We appreciate your time and trust in our content. Your health journey is our top priority and passion. Put on those walking shoes, try those ankle pumps, and give your second heart the attention it truly deserves. Goodbye for now, and remember to keep moving forward with Wise Aging Hub. See you in the next video.